Shenzhen Xinsilu Smart Home Company Limited, established in 2016 with the brand Xinsilu, with its own 2,600 square meters production park with 50 workers here, and are focusing on R&D and manufacture and sell smart video intercom system, and related products include 4-wire and 2-wire IP, wireless video intercom and digital face recognition RFID, password intercom for home, hotel and office and residential complex. Our professional R&D team with more than 15 years experience provides efficient OEM ODM product customization services, understanding that every client has unique needs. Welcome for software and hardware, and UI and logo and packages customization inquiry. Our factory has passed ISO 9001 certification, and all products meet the CE, FCC, RoHS, REACH, and other international certifications. Why partner with us? Verified supplier. We are a gold supplier member on Alibaba.com with our company identity and production capabilities thoroughly verified by third-party agencies. This provides you with the confidence and security to trade with us. Competitive pricing. By leveraging our manufacturing efficiency and economies of scale, we offer high-value products at competitive prices without compromising on quality. Exceptional customer service. Our multilingual sales and support team is committed to providing prompt, professional and clear communication at every stage of your journey with us. We are always your professional and reliable partner in video intercom doorbell solutions.